40 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor and 40 is a dividend. So we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. This process will continue. 4 goes into this 4 how many times? Our current dividend here 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. 1 time 4, that gives you 4. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means actually 0. 4 goes into 0 how many times? 4 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 4, 0 times 4, that gives you 0. Subtract 0. Our remainder is 0 and there is no digit in the dividend. So our answer is 10.